Hi, today I'm for Redmi Honor 70 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and then in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and we can see here information about the battery temperature, that's 32 degrees. Also, you can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.